These ship super fast, probably because I'm in LA and they're in LA too, but it is nice ordering from a US retailer because it gets here so quickly. K2 is a mix of granite and azurite, and it's found at the base of the K2 mountains, which is how it gets its name. I love its signature blue spots. It's smooth but textured to the touch, which is really nice because I'm a big texture person. This was $20. I wanted to get one more $10 piece because $30 or more is free shipping. So this is a free form. It's being sold as volcano agate. Because a lot of agate comes from volcano, I'm assuming it's because of the colors. I love the texture here, and it's gonna be really cute sitting on my desk. $30 for both, free shipping. How do you think I did? Let me know in the comments.